Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we are going to start the units of the rate constant. The unit of the rate constant, which depends upon the order of reaction, will study only for the first and the second order reaction. So number 1 unit for the first order reaction, rate is equal to K into concentration of A. How do we write rate? Minus dA concentration of A divided by dt. That is equal to K into the concentration of A. Now how do we go for writing the concentration of A? Moles per liter. We have to substitute the value moles per liter. So as it is moles per liter on both the sides, it will be cancelled and you will be having K is equal to inverse of your seconds. So that is you can say per seconds. So K is per seconds. Okay, that is for your first order reaction. Now see, the question can be asked like this: what is the order of the reaction if the rate of reaction is 2.8 into 10 raised to minus 4 second inverse? So as second inverse is the unit, you can say it is the first order reaction. Second order reaction, same, we will be writing rate is equal to K into the concentration of A square. So we will replace the rate, that is minus dA by dt, that is equal to K into concentration of A twice. Again we will be writing moles per liter 2 times as we go for writing the substitution. One time it will be cancelled off of below and above, and you will be having your answer over here, that is your K over here, moles inverse, liter inverse, second inverse. So you will be having this particular unit over here, sorry, not liter inverse, mole inverse, liter per second inverse. So your answer over here is very clear, that is your second order reaction. Third order reaction, okay, we are not going to study the third order, zero order reaction. Rate is equal to K into the concentration of A 0 minus dA by dt, that is equal to K. So what is your K? K is equal to mole, liter inverse, second inverse. If you want to find out for any particular, you can go with the use of the formula, that is K is equal to mole per liter 1 minus n second inverse. Okay, for suppose third order, you can go for writing mole liter inverse 1 minus 3, that is your n. So you will be getting mole minus 2, liter minus 2 in second minus 1. Okay, this is the formula. You can try it with any particular. This is very important formula. Okay, molecularity of the reaction is the number of the species colliding simultaneously to bring out a reaction. जितने sufficiently आपका जो colloidal particles है, colloid होते हैं आपके particles, उसको कहा जाता है molecularity. Here H2 plus I2, that gives you 2Hi. As one H2 collides with one I2, molecularity is 2. Second, N2 plus 3H2, that gives you 2NH3. So your 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen is colliding, so your molecularity is 4. Now dear student, molecularity can never be minus. Molecularity कभी minus नहीं हो सकती, जीरो नहीं हो सकती और फ्रैक्शनल भी नहीं हो सकती. ओके, क्योंकि मोलेक्युलरिटी का मतलब क्या है? नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स कोलॉइडिंग. तो वो कभी नेगेटिव में नहीं आ सकता, जीरो नहीं आ सकता और फ्रैक्शन में भी नहीं आ सकता. ओके, डिफरेंस बिटवीन मोलेक्युलरिटी एंड ऑर्डर: simultaneous collision of the number of particles to bring about the chemical reaction, that is called your molecularity. Order of reaction, it is the powers through the which concentration of the reactant is raised. So that is your order. मोलेक्युलरिटी थियोरेटिकल फाइंड आउट करते हैं और ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन एक्सपेरिमेंटल फाइंड आउट करते हैं. मोलेक्युलरिटी कैन नेवर बी जीरो, माइनस और फ्रैक्शन, वेर इन ऑर्डर कैन बी ऑल. ऑर्डर कुछ भी हो सकता है, ऑर्डर जीरो भी हो सकता है, ऑर्डर फ्रैक्शन भी हो सकता है. माइनस जनरली नहीं होता है, बट जीरो एंड फ्रैक्शन में तो आता है, वो हमने देख लिया है. ठीक है, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी टू ऑफ द मैकेनिज्म्स. वी आर रिलेटिंग द मैकेनिज्म विद द रेट लॉ. So here dear student, one example is there, 2N2 plus F2, that gives you 2NO2F. अच्छा, हम देख रहे हैं कि NO2 के आगे 2 लिखा हुआ है, F के आगे कुछ नहीं मतलब 1, तो ऐड करें तो 3, मतलब ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन 3 आ रहा है. बट डियर स्टूडेंट, व्हेन वी एक्चुअली सी, इट इज नॉट दी थर्ड ऑर्डर, इट इज सेकंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. कैसे? 2 स्टेप में रिएक्शन हो रहा है. N2 plus F2, that gives you NO2F plus F. ये स्लो स्टेप है. ठीक है, दूसरा स्टेप N2 प्लस दूसरा जो आपका F है, आपका ऑलरेडी जो रिएक्टेंट प्रोडक्ट साइड पे है वो, that gives you NO2F. आपका फास्ट स्टेप कभी भी रेट डिटरमाइन नहीं करता, सिर्फ आपका जो स्लो रेट है वही डिटरमाइन कर रहा है. तो रेट किस पे डिपेंड कर रहा है? K into the concentration of NO2 into F2. That is why the reaction of this order of the reaction is 2 and not the 3. I hope you are getting the idea from this mechanism. One more example, NO2CO that gives you NO plus CO2. Again 2 steps, ठीक है. पहला स्टेप स्लो है, दूसरा स्टेप फास्ट है. तो आपका जो स्लो स्टेप है that is having your N2 square. Therefore, your rate of reaction is 2 over here. So, I hope you are understanding this concept, and still if you have any doubt, you can ask. Next, we are going to start with the integrated rate law expressions, which are very important.